Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little video transforming my hot mess embossing powder and flocking powders. They just kind of just thrown, I'll show you right now. They're kind of just thrown in like a bin, and I kind of just like shuffle through and dig through this. I mean, it works, but I can't see what I have like color wise and stuff, and so I usually just like, okay, I'll use the pink because it's on top, you know. So I'm gonna organize that with one of the art bin products that I picked out, my little package. So I picked out the Super Satchel Slim, and it comes with all of these little like tabs right here. You just rip it apart, and then these little things twist off as well. So you have all these little tabs if you want to use the tabs. So like I said, I like to have the little like unit thing on the bottom so I could see what it was 50 years ago. I think that'll be neat to see how it changed. So anyway, it's on the bottom now, and I'm gonna stick stuff in here. I mean, the only thing that's not going to fit in here for sure is gonna be the little like tray, which is fine with me, you know. Okay, so some of these, my kids were playing with these sticking tabs in and stuff, so I'll just pull these guys out. And then I'm gonna just fast forward this process. So I'm just organizing the embossing powder more towards the front, the flocking powders in the back since I use them least. Of course, some inks in the very front because you definitely need the embossing ink, and tools and stuff up front. And you guys, originally when I started embossing, I could not figure out how to emboss. It was not working for me. I didn't know if it was the ink, the powder, the heat gun, but I ended up finding a perfect combination. I feel like Versamark and Ranger inks work the best for me. I just love the Ranger, the way it dries and turns colors and stuff, like, or sheens, and it's my favorite for sure. Do you guys have a specific combination that you use, or maybe some cheaper ink, because Versamark is pretty pricey? But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you do. So right here, I'm just putting the flocking powder in the very back, and I do want some techniques for this because you guys, it's so pretty and I see people doing it, but my flocking falls off. So I'm probably doing it wrong. Now I'm just trying to shove these little wipes in here and moving stuff around, you know. Okay, so that was fast. I mean, I have room for more, and then these ones can easily stand up, and I can put them, you know, wherever. I can start stacking this stuff when I get more, and same with these little like ones in the back. I could easily stack these on top of each other. These are flocking powders, and if anybody has tips on how to use this properly, please let me know. I feel like I flock with it, and then the minute I touch the flocking, the stuff comes off. So I mean, I've held on to them. I still have faith in them. But I want to be able to use them. So, and this is what it looks like. So I did my my inks in here. I have another ink pad right here. Then the Ranger, these are like the ink pens, the medium pens that work as well, embossing pens. Then right here, I just put the wipes right here. I put the stamp cleaner right here so I can clean the stamps off. This is a little static thing. This is my Versamark refill, re-inker, or whatever it's called. Then right here are all of my Ranger, and they're major sale at Hobby Lobby right now. Got my Ranger ones, and then I did the two metallics up here in the corner, and I kind of just separated them so that I will be storing this on its side, like skinny way, I guess, if that makes sense, not flat like this. So if I put this there, they can't just like slide all the way down into these guys. And then when I have time, I'm gonna go through and do little circles, kind of like what I did paint swatches, but I'm gonna do like true embossing powder swatches on these guys. And then these guys are embossing powder too, and I don't even know where I got these, or remember at least. But two of them fit in these little compartments when I separated them. I have room for more over here. And then these ones, Zing, Recollections, and Nouveau brand embossing powder, are too tall to sit upright. The lid will not close. They're too tall. So I just put those down here. I mean, Ranger is my favorite embossing powder so far, so that's why you can tell I don't have a lot of the Zing Recollections or the Nouveau. And then I have a couple little Wow ones, and these do fit upright, but I felt like they looked over here because these are like the oddball family over here. And then you guys saw the flocking powders. These could easily be stacked, maybe even 3, no. Too tall, but I'm not gonna do that. I just leave them in the back like that. And I think this, here, shut it. I'll artbin, and look, it can store on its side, and they're not going anywhere. So I really like this. I'm super excited now that I can see everything that I have without like digging through it. You know, it's like right there. These guys, like I said, the only thing I would do is stick like a little swatch on the top when I have time. But I'm excited. I like my new little slim super satchel. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.